Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Toys. Today, we'll be blending gumballs to make mesh balls, and then we'll use the mesh balls to make surprise toys with the magic microwave. Is everyone ready? Here's the magic blender. Now let's throw in some gumballs. Alright, here we go! Wait for it. There it is! Check it out! The magic blender made a red mesh ball. And when you squeeze it, it still turns red. 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 Okay, now let's put this red mesh ball into the magic microwave and make a surprise toy. Give us something good. Yes! The red mesh ball turned into a Hello Kitty chocolate surprise egg. Here are all the characters we can collect. Here's our surprise! It's a Hello Kitty picture with a pink frame. Let's make another mesh ball. Let's blend these gumballs. Alright, which color are we getting? Can't see right now. Oh, it's an orange mesh ball. And once you squeeze it, it turns yellow. Orange, yellow. Let's squeeze this a little more. Alright, let's turn this orange mesh ball into a surprise toy. Awesome! Looks like we got another egg. It's a Madagascar chocolate egg. Here are all the surprises we can collect. Check it out! We got Gloria! Alright, let's make another mesh ball using these gumballs. Okay, which color are we getting next? Oh, nice! We got a yellow mesh ball. And when you squeeze it, it's still yellow. Yellow, yellow. Let's squeeze this some more. Now let's turn this yellow mesh ball into a surprise toy. Come on! Yes! Another chocolate egg! This time we got an epic egg. Here's the chocolate. It's milk and white chocolate with cookies on top. Now let's check out the toy. Awesome! We got a purple monster truck. Let's make another mesh ball. Here we go. Which color are we getting next? We'll find out right now. It's a green one. And when you squeeze it, it turns blue. Green, blue. Let's play with this some more. Now let's turn this green mesh ball into a surprise. Yes! It's another chocolate surprise egg. Here's a DreamWorks Choco Treasure. Here are all the surprises we can collect. Awesome! We got a Tigress 3D cardboard figure. Okay, let's make 2 more mesh balls. What's the color of this mesh ball? Let's find out right now. It's blue. And when you squeeze it, it turns green. Blue, green. Let's squeeze it a couple more times. Now let's turn this blue mesh ball into a surprise toy. Oh, nice! We got another surprise egg. It's a Kinder Joy. Here's how the chocolate looks. And you can use this spoon to grab a big scoop of this delicious chocolate. Here's our surprise toy. Oh, looks like we have to attach a few stickers. Here are the instructions. Looks like this is a toy where the astronaut runs away from the alien. Alright, let's make our last mesh ball. I wonder what the color of our last mesh ball is. We'll find out in just a second. It's purple. And when you squeeze it, it turns pink. Purple, pink. Let's make one last surprise toy. Okay, purple mesh ball, into the microwave you go. Give us something good. Awesome! It's another chocolate egg. We got a Jungle Book one. Here are all the characters we can collect. Oh cool! We got a Mowgli pencil accessory. if you want to watch more surprise toys being opened, be sure to click that subscribe button. See ya!